Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 63,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.